For this type of problem, we are given the x and y intercepts, and we're going to plot them on our coordinate plane to then find the line that would go through those intercepts. So again, we said the intercepts are where the line goes through the x-axis, which is this one, and the y-axis, which is this one. So let's start with the x-intercept. It says the x-intercept is -2. That means along the x-axis here, our line would cross at the x is -2. So that would be this point right here. And then for the y-intercept, it crosses the y-axis at -4. So on the y-axis here, we're going to go to where y is -4, and the line would cross right there. So based on that information, we can kind of see that our line would then have to go through those 2 points, and there's only one way that a line can go through those 2 points. So it must look like this. Oops, I missed. Assuming I hit both points, our line should look like that.